What do you do when your world is falling down around you? How do you stand when the ground is crumbling underneath your feet? How are you going to stand when you don't think there's a place to hold you up? When the earth is falling apart, the sky is falling down, the ground is shaking underneath you and giving way, where you can't know your left from your right, when you can't make sense of why this happened, when you can't figure out the reason of a tragedy. How do you stand in those days? How do you go through calamities, hardships? How do you stay afloat? God is our refuge and strength, a very present help in trouble. Therefore we will not fear, though the earth gives way, though the mountains be moved into the heart of the sea, though its waters roar and foam, though the mountains tremble at its swelling. There is a river whose streams make glad the city of God, the holy habitation of the Most High. God is in the midst of her, and she shall not be moved. God will help her when morning dawns. The nations rage and the kingdoms totter. He utters his voice, the earth melts. The Lord of hosts is with us. The God of Jacob is our fortress. Come, behold the works of the Lord, how he has brought desolations on the earth. He makes war cease to the end of the earth. He breaks the bow and shatters the spear. He burns the chariots with fire. Be still and know that I'm God. I will be exalted among the nations. I will be exalted in the earth. The Lord of hosts is with us. The God of Jacob is our fortress. In this we learn why we don't have to fear when the world is falling apart. When our world is falling apart, when life doesn't make sense, why we don't have to fear. He is with you. He's the very present help in your time of trouble. He is not far off. He's not way up in heaven where you can't get there. He's not way below you in some distant location. He is near you. He's your present help